Hello, my name's Wayne Lee and I'm a licensed and bonded yacht broker with United Yacht Sales. I'm making this short video here because I want to introduce a listing that I have. It is a 2007 39 Tiara Sovran. The vessel is located in Cape Coral, Florida. The boat is powered with Volvos. It's got the pod propulsion system. I do have service records on the mains and the pods. All the upgrades and service work has been done by the local authorized Volvo dealer. The electronics are about a year old, out of the box Garmin's. I have receipts and paperwork for the installation. I have receipts for all the new air conditioning units and I have paperwork showing that the generator was recently serviced. On this link you're going to see other videos of the boat. I've tried to do the very best I can to give you a very good idea of how this boat shows in and out. I'm hoping that if you're looking for a Tiara 39 Sovran, that this boat is going to get your interest. Encourage you to give me a phone call, learn a little bit more about the boat and hopefully come down, show it. I believe that this boat is going to do very well on the survey, and I think it's going to make somebody a great boat to own and get out there and do some cruising. So let me see if I can flip this video around and show you this boat. There you go, got it. So here you go. As I said, 2007 model. It's a nice straight piece, located in Cape Coral. Boat's got a shine to it. Hopefully you'll enjoy all the other videos. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact me. You can call me, text me at 239-707-9422. Thank you, and thank you very much for your interest in this boat.